For anyone curious about augmented reality, I'll show you what's fun and what's functional right now. Hello, my name is Alexis Mercedes. I am the project manager of Fractal Labs. We are an app development team that is passionate about improving the UX of XR. On this channel, we document the intersection of Web3 and augmented reality as it unfolds. This is episode 6 of Augmented Reality News, and today I have 12 different headlines for you. We'll cover who is publishing AR experiences, the latest apps, the latest advertising campaigns, and for those who enjoy little engineering, the latest APIs. Museum of AR, an experiential, enormous digital art gallery with architecture for a canvas. MoAR, Museum of Modern AR, is an art gallery that allows visitors to experience giant digital artwork in AR. Located just a minute from Nogisaka Station, Wherever is an 8-story co-working building that houses offices to a variety of creators. By scanning the QR code on the wall of the Wherever building in Tokyo, visitors can experience the artwork of various artists in AR without downloading an app. The creators would like to bring MoAR not only to the Wherever building, but also to various public spaces and buildings to use them as canvases. The goal is to transform the city into a novel location for enjoying digital art and present the possibilities of city plus art plus AR. To view it, you gotta go to the Wherever building with the camera on your iPhone of iOS 15 or later. I suspect Android users will be able to get in on the fun whenever Samsung starts adding LiDAR to their devices. Wirestock and Stability AI. I had mentioned Wirestock in a previous episode because of the potential of using Wirestock to earn money for digital artists. Wirestock is now even stronger because of its partnership with Stability AI, incorporating its latest image generation model into the platform. This integration streamlines AI creators' ability to generate, upscale, showcase, and sell AI art on Wirestock. Why are they doing this? Well, Wirestock has witnessed a surge of AI artists uploading to their platform, and their aim is to simplify the process of monetization. Creators can utilize Stability AI's technology through Wirestock's Discord bot. Wirestock serves 300,000 creators, distributing millions of content pieces and offering various monetization avenues. Luma Flythroughs. AI graphics startup Luma AI uses NERF and 3D generative AI technology to enable capture capabilities never before possible on a mobile device. The 3D camera path AI feature allows users to fly freely through the 3D model by simply setting the virtual flight path through an app. This uses the world's most advanced generative 3D NERF technology, according to Luma. You can do this yourself using Luma's phone app, Luma Flythroughs. This feature is explicitly marketed to the real estate industry to replace expensive residential photography to sell properties. Flythroughs allow one-touch geneations of photorealistic and lifelike 3D experiences. Geneations, I like that word. Living Cities Scan and Play. Living Cities envisions a world where users can scan real spaces to play in as avatar-sized action figures. It aims to connect real and virtual worlds, allowing interactive play, communication, and transactions. They've introduced the scan and play concept, where you can scan an indoor space and upload it as a 3D game map. And although they had dreamed of incorporating outdoor spaces as well, they shifted focus to indoor personal spaces for simplicity of engagement. Features include personalization, exploration, and multiplayer play. Scan and Play is meant to someday apply AI for 3D recognition to expand various spaces, enhance customization, and introduce interactive objects, which would allow for gamification. They're gradually opening up to users via test flights. I'm gonna try to get on the beta list, and I hope you'll join me. Manchester City Club Hologram. Manchester City Club Football visited Tokyo, Japan as part of their Asian preseason tour, where holographic buses and giant screens showcased the team. The Manchester City holograms sparked enthusiasm and questions among the crowd, showcasing the potential for innovation in marketing and advertising. AR for the World Cup. For the FIFA Women's World Cup semifinals, Powerade introduces a Snapchat AR lens on Sydney Harbour Bridge, showing a player on a hammock, emphasizing the value of taking a pause for mental and physical readiness. This Pause is Power campaign encourages holistic performance and was active from August 14th through 20th. Bloomingdale's AR catalog. Bloomingdale's partnered with Rose to present their 150th anniversary collection using AR activated catalogs with web AR. Rose is a Black-owned web AR agency specializing in lifelike AR for retail, fashion, and food. They're one of the many teams using Eighth Wall for AR production. The experience blended physical and digital realms, which is believed to enhance customer confidence and conversion rates. Users used image targets to see exclusive styles in their space, with models designed to create real-life visualization. Direct purchasing was available within the experience, and customers could share their experiences on social platforms. The conversion rate increased by 22%, engagement increased by 38%, over 400,000 AR catalogs were distributed, and 4 looks were explored per user on average. For the project, Rose emphasized photorealism and high-quality digital assets to showcase the luxury brands like Balenciaga, Armani, and Paul Smith. Starbucks AR. Starbucks launched an AR experience showcasing kindness. It's accessible through the Starbucks mobile app or by scanning a QR code in store and on the website. The experience adds floating sticky pads around you with photos and videos into the user's environment using AR. The sticky notes include both messages from other people as well as generic words of kindness. What's cool about this one is the interaction capabilities. Within the publication, the users can select certain messages to view them larger and then be able to share those with others. And the Send a Kind Note button provides animated kindness cards for sending. Starbucks partnered with the Born This Way Foundation, founded by Lady Gaga and Cynthia Garbanota, to support the hashtag BeKind365 initiative. They also collaborated with Headspace, a mental health company, to offer free kindness meditations on the Headspace website. Vienna's garden gameplay. This year, Belvedere Palace, a Baroque complex in Vienna, marks its 300th anniversary. To attract future visitors, the palace incorporates modern exhibition designs and new technologies. This includes a new AR game, The Fantastic Palastics, aimed at children ages 8 and up. Players search for animals that once lived in the palace garden and get to feed them using the AR gameplay on the smartphone. The game is accessible via the Belvedere website in German or English. No app download is required. This is a web AR triggered by a QR code that's placed throughout the gardens. The gameplay area is the garden grounds themselves, so you don't have to get a museum ticket in order to participate. It's free. The game was developed by Dutch agency The Brand Father and game development company Orb. Eighthwall provided support for the project. Space Invaders, the iconic video game from 1978, celebrates its 45th anniversary with an AR game where players are defending their neighborhood from 3D invaders. This is a great example of how AR can create sense of place in video games. This is because the invaders emerge from real-life buildings and other landmarks. Features include enhanced weapons, new music, and adaptive virtual environments for rain. It touts classic characters, high score mechanics, and AR selfies to share on social media. This is all made possible through AR Core and Geospatial Engineering API integration. Unit 9 uses Google's AR Core SDK to digitize physical worlds. Google's Geospatial API integrates Google Maps Street View data, displaying accurate terrain and building information within 100 meters of the player's location. It's kind of a big deal. Google envisions developers pushing geolocalized experiences with their platform. Space Invaders World Defense launched on July 17th of 2023. It is available on iOS and Android devices in Europe, Japan, and the USA. AudioCraft by Meta. AudioCraft is an AI tool developed by Meta for creating high-quality audio and music through text input. The tool consists of 3 separate models: Music Gen, Audio Gen, and Encode, each serving different aspects of audio generation. Music Gen utilizes Meta-owned and licensed music to generate music from text prompts. Audio Gen is trained on public sound effects and produces audio corresponding to given text inputs. The Encode decoder is enhanced to improve music generation quality with minimal artifacts. Meta is open sourcing all 3 generative models to encourage AI-generated audio research and progress. This move enables researchers and train their own versions of the models, kind of like Stable Diffusion from the last video. You get to customize those models using custom datasets. AudioCraft addresses a gap in AI development focused on audio, which has seen less progress compared to images, video, and text. Generating high-fidelity audio requires modeling complex patterns and signals across different scales, especially for music. We tried to simplify it was by placing music, sound effects, compression, and generation all within the same platform. The open source approach to AudioCraft fosters innovation and, more importantly, collaboration. The open sourcing strategy is expected to drive AI-generated audio and reshape audio production, if you're willing to share that data with Meta. I don't know which apps are using or plan to use this API, but it's there and available and honestly pretty exciting. You could integrate this with a lot of existing apps. The Ready Player Me animation library. Ready Player Me full body avatars are now compatible with their Game Ready animation library. It contains an initial batch of over 200 high-quality motion captured animations retargeted to Ready Player Me character armatures. These animations are provided for free from Ready Player Me within the terms of their license. Check out the packages on GitHub and learn how to use the animations from their library in Unity. They have provided tutorials. With all these new APIs available, I'm excited to start building apps. We're an app development team, which means we build custom apps. From ordering food, submitting health documents, to improving public transportation, we can build it, and we do. Let's talk about the app you've been dreaming of. Very easy to get a hold of through any of these socials. Or email. Some people still like email.
This week's news featured a lot of different companies who are utilizing AR and regarding it as cutting edge, new, and more importantly, engaging with the audience. I'm still wondering if the audience is actually asking for this. Are customers asking to engage with products in this way? Is there enough data to determine whether or not this is driving sales? Is this a novelty that people will continue to love moving forward?
See you some other Tuesday for more content about the intersection of Web3 and AR. Goodbye.